Here's how you make easy 3-ingredient keto coconut flour pancakes. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk until combined. Add the cream cheese into the eggs. Whisk for about 30 seconds until it's all combined. Add in the coconut flour. The next step is optional, but I highly recommend it if you want a bit more fluffier pancakes. Add in a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Then let your dough rest for about 10 minutes while you heat up your skillet over medium heat. Add some butter to your preheated skillet. Add about 1/4 of a cup of pancake mix per pancake. Cook for about 2 minutes per side and then flip over. I like to serve these pancakes with a bit more butter and some keto maple syrup.